Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to do marble nail design 6 different ways. So if you are interested or you like these designs, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to start by prepping the nails as if I was applying them like press-ons. So I'm just going to buff off the shine off of the nail, and then I'm going to file off the free edge of the nail, that little ledge that comes on it, so we can maintain that coffin shape.
Would you stay along? Would you be around? Baby girl, you're my sunshine, you're the light. Let's play along, baby, we alive. You're my day, you're my life, you're my every night. Nah, 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 nah.
Now I'm just going to wipe off the surface with alcohol to remove any dust and debris, and then I will paint all of the nails my desired base color. I'm going to be using white for these 4 nails, and then a blue and a black for the other 2, but you can use whichever color you like, of course.
Would you stay along? Would you be around? Baby girl, you're my sunshine, you're the light. Let's play along, baby, we alive. You're my day, you're my life, you're my every night. Nah, 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 nah. You should be around, you should be mine. Nah, 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 nah. You are my love. Why? Yeah, yeah. Would you stay along? Would you be around? Baby girl, you're my sunshine, you're the light. Let's play along, baby, we alive. You're my day, you're my life, you're my every night. Nah, 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 nah. You should be around, you should be mine. Nah, 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 nah. You are my love.
So I did 2 coats of gel polish and cured 60 seconds in between. For this first marble design, I'm going to be using a Sharpie marker, and you can just draw it on the nail, any design that you like. And then pretty much for all of the marble designs, we're going to be using acetone and a cleanup brush or alcohol, and just dabbing it until you get your desired marble effect.
Would you stay along? Would you be around? Baby girl, you're my sunshine, you're the light. Let's play along, baby, we alive. You're my day, you're my life, you're my every night. Nah, 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 nah. You should be around, you should be mine. Nah, 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 nah. You are my love.
And you can add or take away the Sharpie or whatever you apply for the marble line as you like. If you take off too much or if you didn't add enough, you can always add that at any time.
Would you stay along?
Now for this next marble design, I'm just going to be using an art paint. or like a nail art detailing paint, and I'm just going to do the same thing, brush it on however I like. For this one, I did notice that the paint dried up really quickly, so when I was using alcohol on this second line to remove it, it kind of stopped removing, so I started using acetone. But for all of the other nails, I did use alcohol. But you pretty much can use them interchangeably, except for something like this where it doesn't remove. So I'm just going in, doing the same thing, and removing and adding in where I feel necessary until I get the design that I like.
Would you stay along? Would you be
Now for this next marble design, I'm going to be using gel polish. I chose 3 D&D gel polishes. You can use as many that'll fit on the nail or as little as you like, and I'm just applying those just as I see fit on the nail. I feel like this is one of the easiest marble designs because you just apply it however on the nail and then just take a brush like you see here and just kind of swirl it all together. So just do that again until you get the design that you like. And then the only difference for this one, you do need to cure it in the UV or LED lamp. After the Sharpie and the paint marbles that we just did, I did not have to cure those.
Would you stay along? Would you be around? Baby girl, you're my sunshine, you're the light. Let's play along, baby, we
And again here, I'm just adding in extra polish wherever I see fit and then re-swirling it in to create that design that I want.
no, 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 no. You are my love.
For this fourth marble design, we are using gel polish again, and I'm kind of just applying it in like a checkerboard pattern, and then the same thing going in with the cleanup brush and just dabbing it with alcohol or acetone until I get the marble look that I like, and then curing it in the lamp for 60 seconds.
You're my sunshine, you're the light. Let's play along, baby, we alive. You're my day, you're my life, you're my every night. Na, 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 na. You should be around, you should be mine. Na, 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 na. You are my love.
Now here, I was going to do a marble design with the Born Pretty Blooming Gel, but as you can see, it is completely dried up. I did just receive this probably like a few weeks ago, and it was fine when I received it. I hadn't put it near my lamp or any heat, so I don't know what happened, but that's not happening. So on to the next one is just going to be a black base, and then I'm going to apply some white gel polish on top. For this black nail, I do end up applying 3 coats of the black because it was kind of see-through and I just wanted it to be more opaque. Now for this next marble design, I'm going to be using a dry erase marker, and the same thing with the Sharpie. I'm just going to be applying this kind of haphazardly across the nail and then dabbing it again with some acetone or alcohol.
Around, you should be mine. Na, 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 na. You are my love. be around? Baby girl, you're my sunshine, you're the light. Let's play along, baby, we alive. You're my day, you're my life, you're my every night. Na 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 na. You should be around, you should be mine. Na 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 na. You are my love.
Now I'm just going to be further decorating each nail, and for this marble one I'm just adding some gold foil wherever I see like the thicker marble line or the vein of the marble.
Would you stay along? Would you be around? Baby girl, you're my sunshine, you're the light. Let's play along, baby, we alive. You're my day, you're my life, you're my every night. Na 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 na. You should be around, you should be mine. Na 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 na. You are my love. Why? Yeah, yeah.
Now for these next two marbles, the very first one you see and then the third one that I'm applying now, I'm just going to be putting some rhinestones on. I'm going to be using my Zule bling adhesive and then drying it in place with a hurry up glue dryer.
Na 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 na. You are my love. Would you stay along? Would you be around? Baby girl, you're my sunshine, you're the light. Let's play along, baby, we alive. You're my day, you're my life, you're my every night. Na 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 na. You should be around, you should be mine. Na 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 na.
For this last marble design, I'm just going to be going back over it with another layer of white gel polish, dabbing it out with acetone or alcohol, and then curing it. After that, I'm just going to go over it with some red jelly polish, and then all of the marbles are done and we're just going to finish them off with some top coat.
Would you stay along? Would you be around? Baby girl, you're my sunshine, you're the light. Let's play along, baby, we alive. You're my day, you're my life, you're my every night. Na 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 na. You should be around, you should be mine. Na 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 na. You are my love. Why? Yeah, yeah. Would you stay along? Would you be around? Baby girl, you're my sunshine, you're the light. Let's play along, baby, we alive. You're my day, you're my life, you're my every night. Na 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 na. You should be around, you should be mine. Na 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 na. You are my love.
After I cured all of the nails, they are ready for application. If you wanted to wear them as press-on nails, you will just apply them with either sticky tabs or glue. And if you want them to last as long as possible, just be sure to prep your natural nail by pushing back the cuticles and removing the shine with a buffer or a higher grit file.
Would you stay along? Would you be around? Baby girl, you're my sunshine, you're the light. Let's play along, baby, we alive. You're my day, you're my life, you're my every night. Nah, 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 nah. You should be.
Alright, you guys, these are all done. This is the finished product. If you liked these, then just comment down below. Let me know which one was your favorite, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I will be coming out on Saturday with a full tutorial on press-on nails. So if you're interested, then just check back for that. And I will see you guys next time.